All right, what's going on, folks? Mark Lux, Deluxe Motorsports. Today, folks, we got a beautiful 2013 Dodge Ram 2500 6.7 Cummins four-wheel drive, Laramie loaded to the gills. All right, folks, let me tell you, before you guys get through this, the rest of this video, in the bottom right-hand corner, make sure you guys click that subscribe button, drop a like on this video, also drop a comment on how I can make these videos better or more informative. Definitely drop a comment. Anyway, 2013, 122,000 miles. Folks, this is actually the only truck I think I've carried in 5 years that still has emissions. It has still got emissions. Where's my emissions buyers at? Anyway, if you guys are in the market for a Dodge Cummins and you don't want it tuned or deleted, this one is right up your alley. Aftermarket rear bed cover. The paint is in immaculate shape. Zero rust on the body. Zero rust on the frame. As you guys can see, the paint's super glossy. Brand new Virginia state inspection. We just got done servicing this truck. You got Michelin rubber on the ground. Like I said, a little discoloration on the frame. Not from a northern region. No big rust issues. Nothing like that, as you guys would always expect from your boy Mark here at Deluxe Motorsports. Full power options on the seat. Lumbar, memory seats, heated seats, cooled seats. Like I said, Laramie package. The sunlight is terrible right now, but we're gonna make this video anyway. You guys stick around to the end so I can tell you the best things about this truck. Factory navigation, like I said, heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel. You have all your steering wheel controls. As far as body damage, there's really not much. Interior is still immaculate. Interior still is in very good shape. Aftermarket, or excuse me, upgraded off-road Dodge floor mats. I do have the factory carpeted ones as well. If you're a big sunroof guy, there's your hole in the roof right there if you guys enjoy them sunroofs. Factory OEM step rails. Rear shot of the frame. Like I said, you can see you got light surface like around the spots. No rust like it's from New York. If I ain't mistaken, I believe this was a local Virginia truck since it was brand new. Sure, you guys need a 5-inch drop ball, you can have that one. No big deal. I got plenty of rear backup camera. Spray in bed liner. On top of that, they got the Dodge rubber mat in the back. What the heck is that? Fuel cell? I don't know what the hell that is. Toolbox? I don't know. I'll have to update you guys, let you know. Anyway, Diamond box cover on the rear. Damn, this thing's heavy. I can't lift it. I ain't strong enough. I'm gonna have to do some more push-ups or something. Anyway, down the passenger side, folks. Passenger side, same thing. Paint is in excellent condition. LTX AT Michelin's, plenty of tread left. They're probably in the 75% neighborhood as far as tread depth. If you guys need to have me depth gauge them, I'll be more than happy to do that. You got one dent down here on the side rail. That's from his wife driving the truck, and she decided to hit a yellow post at the gas station. Now, come on, ladies, y'all got to watch it. You know, our big boy trucks right here, we don't like getting them scratched up. You know what I mean? Anyway, very small dent like that. Like I said on the step rail, you know, not a big deal. There's one light scratch right here, and then 2 or 3 right there. These are probably buffable. This one I can put my fingernail in, so we'll have to throw a little bit of touch up on that one. These upper ones are are very small, so you should be able to get those out buff-wise. Passenger seat, interior's in good shape. Leather's not worn out. You got a little bit of spot right here, just like the coating's coming off or something maybe. I don't know what that's from. If you guys are Dodge guys, you already know about the hidden coolers. If you're not a Dodge guy, become a Dodge guy, and then you get a free cooler on both sides of the truck. There's a cooler on the left, cooler on the right. Anyway, all in all, folks, a gorgeous truck. It is very, it's in very good shape. Come on. 2013, 122,000 miles. Folks, what else would you guys like to see in these videos? You guys let me know. I would start it up, but it still sounds stock. There's nothing good about it. It's just, you know, it's just a regular diesel motor chugging and, you know, no good exhaust on this one. Just straight up, 100% factory. And I actually like them like this too. This truck's got a ton of power. 2013 Dodge Ram 2500 Laramie Edition, 122,000 miles. If you guys haven't visited our website, make sure you guys take a look at our website, deluxemotorsports.com. It's in the description as well, DLUXmotorsports.com. Follow us on Instagram for quick, small tidbits and videos of trucks that we have coming in. It is the quickest way to see our inventory, as some of these trucks sell before I even get to do YouTube videos. So if you want to see our inventory the quickest, make sure you guys follow us on Instagram, Deluxe_Motorsports. Again, spelled DLUX_Motorsports. And like I said, folks, come on, man. Like and subscribe. We're located right here in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Zip code 22408. If you want to reach us direct at the office, call us 540-898-1300. Look forward to from hearing from you guys. Like I said, make sure you guys drop a comment. Let me know what's up. Let's go, baby.